Jolly morning, everyone. Jolly morning, Sir Francis. Today, I will be discussing an era of market by complex and disinformations. This video highlights the five key points from Nobel Peace Laureate Maria Resa's speech at the United Nations. We'll explore the speech significance to our daily lives and consider how it guides us as nation. Moving forward, this analysis aims to provide into impacts of globalizations on communications as discussed in Lisa's powerful address. First one is the spread of disinformations erodes trust. Significance, constant exposure to misinformations makes it difficult to discern truth affecting personal decisions and relationships. How the nation should move forward. Media literacy programs implement comprehensive media literacy education in schools and communities to cultivate critical thinking skills. The next one is to support fact checking, bolster fact checking initiatives and promote responsible journalism to activate, combat, and spread false informations. Promote reliable information. Federal and state officials, along with the private sector, must be play and vital role in combating. Second one is the social media algorithms prioritize engagements over truth. Significance, we are more likely to see sensational or emotionally charged content which can distort our understanding the world. How the nation should move forward. Transparency and accountability advocate and for greater transparency from social media campaigns and understanding of how the world. Transparency and accountability is um, encourage development of algorithms algorithms that prioritize factual information and diverse perspective. Temporary antitrust exemptions. News media organizations could be granted a temporary antitrust exemption to industry can negotiate with social media companies. Third one is attacks against journalists arguing democracy. Significance with journalists are silenced with close access to vital information and perspectives. How the nation should forward protect journalists, protect and support journalists and independent media outlets, enacting laws to safeguard press the freedom. Third one is the hold attackers accountable. Hold attacks accountable, hold those who attack for threatening journalists accountable. Prioritize freedom of the press. The administration should put a priority on freedom in press when challenging authoritarian leaders. The fourth one is the fourth technology can be used to manipulate public opinion. Significance significance we may be unaware of how our views are being shaped by sophisticated propaganda campaigns. How the nation should move forward. Invest research to understand how technology manipulates public opinion and develop strategies to counter propaganda. Promote critical thinking. Promote by promoting critical thinking is developed to strategies to counter propaganda and promote critical thinking. Global Engagement Center. The Global Engagement Center GEC should lead and synchronize and coordinates efforts of federal government in countering foreign state and foreign non-state propaganda and disinformation efforts. The last is we need to claim control over our data and privacy. Our personal information is constantly being collected and used by corporations and governments, often without knowledge and consent. How the nation should move forward. Data nations should move forward. Laws enacting strong data protection, laws that give individuals more control over their personal information, promote privacy tech technologies, promote the development of privacy enhancing technologies, and educates citizens about their rights regarding and privacy. Reduce data collections. Data privacy collections can be used to reduce the impact of micro targeting. By focusing on media literacy, supporting journalists, and promoting transparency, investigating and research, and protect data privacy. The nation can move forward in a way that strengthens democracy and protects its citizens and manipulations and and misinformations. And that would be my discussions in about 5 topics you given, sir. Thank you.